Welcome to Exquisite Info TV. Today, we explore one of the most essential sources of food around the world, rice farming. Known as the lifeline of millions, rice is more than just a crop. It is a vital part of culture, tradition, and livelihood. From preparing the land and selecting quality seeds, to planting, irrigating, and nurturing each growing stalk, rice farming requires patience, skill, and dedication. Every step brings farmers closer to harvest, where golden grains represent not just food, but months of hard work and hope for a good yield. Join us as we uncover the fascinating process of rice farming, from seed to table, and witness how this ancient practice continues to feed the world. In rice farming, the journey to a bountiful harvest begins with the very first plough. But what exactly makes this step so important? First, what is the purpose of the first ploughing in rice farming? The answer lies in soil preparation. This initial step loosens the earth, improves aeration, and helps control weeds before planting. Farmers typically do it right after the previous crop is harvested and before the rainy season begins to ensure proper soil moisture. From traditional carabao-drawn ploughs to modern tractors, the choice depends on the size of the field and available resources. The first plough is not just the beginning, but the foundation of a successful rice farming season. After the first ploughing loosens the soil and buries weeds, the second ploughing plays a crucial role in preparing the rice field for planting. This step is done to further break down large soil clumps, level the surface, and ensure proper water distribution across the entire field. Farmers typically perform the second plough a few days after the first, once the soil has settled slightly but remains soft and workable. During this process, hand tractors or carabaos are often used to refine the soil and remove any remaining weeds. The ideal depth is around 10 to 15 centimeters, allowing roots of the future rice seedlings to grow firmly. A well-executed second ploughing improves soil aeration, helps control pests and diseases, and creates a smoother seedbed for transplanting. In rice farming, every stage matters, and the second plough ensures that the foundation for healthy rice plants is strong. A well-prepared field means better growth, higher yield, and a more successful harvest. One of the most important tasks before planting rice is cleaning the canal or water passage in the rice field. This is where water flows, providing life and nourishment to the crops. If the canal is blocked, water may not enter the field properly, or it may cause flooding that can damage newly planted rice seedlings. The seedbed, also called a seedling nursery, has an important purpose. It provides a controlled area where rice seeds can germinate and grow into strong, uniform seedlings before being transplanted into the main field. It is very important to grow the seeds in a seedbed before transplanting them to the field. Normally, seedlings are ready for transplanting after 18 to 21 days for lowland or irrigated rice. For hybrid varieties, the duration is shorter, around 15 to 18 days. Meanwhile, for inbred varieties, it usually takes 20 to 25 days before they are ready for transplanting. The signs that the seedlings are ready include having 3 to 4 true leaves, a healthy green color, and being at the right age, not too young and weak, and not too old and stressed. At this stage, the seedlings can easily adapt to the field, which leads to stronger growth and better yield. Pulling rice seedlings from the seedbed is done when they reach the right age, usually between 20 to 30 days. Care must be taken to avoid damaging the roots, as healthy roots ensure faster growth once transplanted into the field. After pulling, the seedlings are cleaned and bundled before planting. Doing this at the right time is key to achieving a good harvest. Along the dike of the rice field, grasses often grow quickly and need to be cut regularly. Farmers have two main options: manual cutting using a sickle or bolo, or using a grass cutter machine. Manual cutting is more affordable, requires no fuel, and allows farmers to be more precise in trimming the grasses, especially in narrow or uneven areas of the dike. However, it is time-consuming. On the other hand, using a grass cutter machine is faster and more efficient, especially for large areas. It saves time and reduces labor, but it requires fuel, maintenance, and added cost. Water irrigation plays a vital role in rice farming. Unlike other crops, rice is a semi-aquatic plant that thrives in wet and flooded conditions. The presence of water ensures healthy growth, allowing the plants to absorb nutrients more effectively. Irrigation also serves as a natural weed controller, since many weeds cannot survive in standing water. At the same time, it helps manage pests and diseases, keeping the rice plants healthy throughout their growing cycle. Beyond that, water acts as a natural temperature regulator, protecting the plants from extreme heat and stress. With proper irrigation, farmers can maintain strong, healthy rice plants and achieve higher yields during harvest. Indeed, water irrigation is not just about supplying water, it is the foundation of a successful rice farming system. Thank you for joining us here on Exquisite Info TV. As we've seen, every golden harvest begins with the first flowing of water, a step that breathes life into the soil and marks the true beginning of rice farming. This is just the start of our journey into the world of farming, and there's so much more to discover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Exquisite Info TV for more farming insights and stories from the field.